In a 7-2 decision, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that prosecutors in New York City have the authority to subpoena financial records, including tax returns, from U.S. President Donald Trump's private accounting firm. Prosecutors are investigating whether the Trump organization hid hush money payments to women who claimed they had sex with Trump before he became president. Trump denies those claims. The subpoena process now moves back to local courts. The Supreme Court rejected Trump's claim that sitting presidents have, quote, absolute immunity from criminal investigations.
Frankly, this is a political witch hunt, the likes of which nobody's ever seen before. It's a pure witch hunt. It's a hoax, just like the Mueller investigation was a hoax that I won. And this is another hoax. This is purely political.
In a separate ruling, the Supreme Court ruled against Democrats in Congress who sought similar financial records. But Democrats can continue that fight back in lower courts.
7-2, even the president's appointee saying, President of the United States is not above the law. We have a path that the Supreme Court has laid out that we certainly will not ignore. And we will never stop our oversight. That is our responsibility under the Constitution of the United States.
Continuing court battles and grand jury secrecy laws make it unlikely President Trump's income taxes will be made public before November's election.
If we are viewing these two cases, particularly the congressional case, through a political prism, it is a win for the president because he will be able to hide his tax returns, unlike any other presidential candidate in the modern era, for one more election.
There's no law requiring U.S. presidents to release their tax returns, but it has become something of a custom in presidential politics in the modern era. President Trump has repeatedly said his taxes are under audit, and he will release them when that audit is done. There's no evidence to support that those taxes are indeed under audit, and there's nothing stopping the president from releasing them even if they are under audit. His likely competitor in the election in November, former Vice President Joe Biden, has released 21 years of his tax returns. Jim Spellman, CGTN, at the White House.